Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. If you're wondering why is it Appa put a new gas hob on top of my existing one, is because my existing one has got some problem. So Flexi Hob from Rinnai come to Appa's rescue. Rinnai is the #1 kitchen appliances brand in Japan, and they are actually celebrating their 100 years anniversary this year with the message connecting with passions for the next 100 years. There is actually two reasons why the Flexi Hob can help me under this situation. Number one is flexi cut size. So what do we mean by flexi cut size? It basically means that this Flexi Hob can actually put inside a wide range of cut hole dimensions. Yeah. So in my case, it can also put it inside. Secondly, it actually has a rubber leg attached. So if you don't want to put it inside the hole, or you don't want to break a hole on your kitchen top, you can just do what Appa is doing today, put it on top of the kitchen top. Okay, Appa today is going to make a Hakka deep fried pork belly. Okay, Hakka deep fried pork belly. The most important ingredient, of course, is the pork belly. And I have approximately about 300 to 400 grams of pork belly here. And first thing you need to do is to de-skin. Yeah, remove the skin so that it will not be too chewy after you deep fry it later. Even without the skin, it's going to be super crispy later. Don't worry. So right after that, you need to marinate it. Marinate it. After that, you are going to deep fry. So just very quickly go through what are the marination. You will need some Shaoxing wine, some fish sauce. This is the fermented red bean curd, approximately about 1 to 1.5 pieces. And then this is oyster sauce, a bit of cornstarch, sugar, 5 spice powder, and 1 egg. Okay, so let's put all this marination together. Okay, once you have mixed well the marination, you can actually put in the de-skin pork belly. Put it inside. And we're going to add in a little bit of cornstarch. If it's too dry, I will add in the egg. If not, then it's okay. We don't have to add in the egg if it's not too dry. Oh, I think we have enough liquid here. We don't need the egg. Super fragrant. Okay, so you can cover this with a cling wrap and put it inside the fridge to let it marinate for 2 to 3 hours. And always remember, before you want to deep fry it, take it out at least 30 minutes before. Okay, next step is very important. After you take out from the fridge, what you need to do is prepare some tapioca starch or cornstarch. Okay, and then you take out the pork belly and coat it nicely with this, and let it rest at the side for a couple of minutes. Then only the powder, yeah, the powder here can actually, the flour can actually taste better, right? A little bit low, but it's fine. I think this is about 120, 130. We need about 140 to 150 degrees, but it's okay. Okay, we are going to fry this for approximately about 6-7 minutes, which is until cooked. And then we are going to raise the heat and use on high heat and double fry for about 10 seconds. Then it's done. Okay, this is after about 5-6 minutes. Should be okay right now. Very, very beautiful. Take it to the side. And I'm going to do double fry for 5-10 seconds. Okay, it's higher heat right now. I'm just going to put it in. Give it a few seconds. Then take it out. Turn it over, take it out. Turn it over, take it out. You have to take it out very fast, if not you can actually get burned quite easily. Yeah? Now it is super, super crispy, confirmed. So here's my very crispy Hakka deep fried pork belly. And thank you so much for Flexi Hob from Rinnai to come to Appa's rescue today. And because of the flexi cutout and also the rubber leg. Okay, so if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Bye bye.